I think our film, more than the grand gestures, प्यार आसानी से नहीं मिलता है. But I think this film has that, prepped so much with the blindfold.
Welcome to the movies, Shania. Finally, good things take time. I have two questions. First is to both of you. Will this movie give hope to the many people who are hopeless romantics and are in the city finding love? And second, how tricky was it to have this chemistry while you are blindfolded?
नहीं, इसका दोनों का जवाब मेरे ख्याल से शनाया ही दें तो बेहतर है. या
Sorry, can you repeat the first question?
will we reignite lost hope for people in this city or all over the world through this film कि
Yes.
प्यार जिंदा है आज भी, something like that, right?
Yes, no, of course. I think that I think our film, more than the grand gestures, it's about the smaller truths. There's a lot of honesty, there's a lot of purity in our film. And like I said, even about my character Sabha, she's very layered, she's very flawed, and I think प्यार आसानी से नहीं मिलता है. Time लगता है. और I think in this film, it's shown the real truth. It's not shown something that you can't get inspired by. It's the truth of life, it's the truth of finding love, and it's that journey. And you can connect to it. कभी-कभी आप एक love story देखते हो, और that is also, I've grown up watching that, the larger than life gestures, the aspirational feeling. But I think this film has that, but it also has a lot of truth and a lot of heart in it, and a lot of touch of that reality of finding your true love. So definitely, I think you will find your love, and
Yeah,
you
we
will
really
feel
hope.
that inspiration to go find your love. I think, hopefully, fingers crossed now, that you all will decide on the 11th of July. And the next question was, yes, of course. I think हम पहले ही बात कर रहे थे जब हम interview, I think we were talking about that as well, कि I think हमारे लिए visual cues as actors is very very important, और वो ही ना हो तो आप कैसे feel करोगे, आप एक दूसरे को कैसे feel करोगे. And I think that's where the prep came into play, and we prepped so much with the blindfold. Vikrant prepped so much with his lenses, and we tried to connect with our other senses, which is touch, feel, hear, understanding your environment without seeing, and trusting each other's energy, because that's all we depended on. But I also feel, I remember जब हम हमारी पहली shot दे रहे थे, which was in the train, and we were talking and we were across from each other. Sometimes as actors, जब आप एक audience के सामने हो, या there's cameras or there's someone right below you with a thermocol so the light hits your face correctly, you have to try to cut that out, right? So that you can be in the moment and be present with your co-actor. But somewhere Vikrant and I we bonded over the fact that only we are in this world right now, because we are the only two people who can't see. Everyone else sees, everyone knows what's happening except both of us. So there was I think an instant connection, instant trust that we formed on the very first day, which happened very organically.
If I may just take 30 more seconds and add something कि sorry यार 15 सेकंड ठीक है कि इट वॉज ऑलमोस्ट लाइक अ ब्लेसिंग इन डिस्गाइज. और फिल्म में ये डायलॉग है, ये मुझे, इनका किरदार मुझे कहता है कि अरे तुम थोड़ा धीरे बात करो, लोग देख रहे हैं. एंड आई से मुझे क्या फ़र्क पड़ता है, मुझे तो नहीं दिख रहा. तो उसी तरह से ये एक ब्लेसिंग इन डिस्गाइज थी. और समाज का एक जो वर्ग है या एक कम्युनिटी है जो ब्लाइंड लोगों की हैं, जिनके रोज़मर्रा के जीवन में बहुत चैलेंजेस होते हैं. अनफॉर्चुनेटली उनको ह्यूमर के अलावा बहुत ही गिनी चुनी फिल्म है कि सिनेमा में उनको सही तरह से रिप्रेजेंट किया गया है. इसीलिए प्रयास ये इस लव स्टोरी के ज़रिए ये भी था कि उनको बहुत ही ऑथेंटिकली उनकी डिग्निटी को रिप्रेजेंट किया जाए, उनके स्ट्रगल्स को भी रिप्रेजेंट किया जाए. और लास्टली जो ये फिल्म का डायलॉग भी, एंड आई रियली वांट टू थैंक मानसी एंड सैंडी फॉर इट, कि जो ब्लाइंड है उनको दया नहीं, उनको डिग्निटी चाहिए. तो कहीं ना कहीं इस लव स्टोरी के माध्यम से आप ये भी जो हम कहना चाहते हैं वो भी आपको दिखेगा. थैंक यू.